Imagine losing the ability to hold a glass of water, to hug your loved ones, or to type a simple message. For millions of people worldwide, this isn't an imagination, it's reality. But what if I told you that the line between human and machine is blurring? Today, we aren't just talking about a gadget. We are talking about a miracle. Welcome back to Future Finds, and today, we're looking at the Esper Hand. This is the Esper Hand. It's an AI-powered bionic prosthesis that has been named one of the best inventions by Time magazine. Unlike traditional prosthetic hands that are heavy, funky, and hard to control, the Esper Hand is lightweight, anatomical, and, most importantly, it learns. It weighs less than a human hand, but it's strong enough to help you live a completely independent life. It's in the brain. So, how does it actually work? It uses something called non-invasive myoelectric sensors. When the user thinks about moving their hand, their muscles send tiny electrical signals. The Esper Hand picks up these signals through the skin. But here is the future find: the hand is connected to the cloud. It uses digital signal processing and machine learning. The more you use it, the better it understands your specific movements. It's the first hand in the world that gets smarter every single day. It doesn't just move. It predicts what you want to do next. Seeing the tech is one thing, but seeing it change a life is another. Users of the Esper Hand can perform over 30 different grips. They can pick up a crate without crushing it, or hold a heavy suitcase with a firm grip. It's giving people their careers back, their hobbies back, and most importantly, their confidence back. Right now, this technology is changing lives for those with limb loss. But the founders of Esper Bionics believe this is just the beginning. They see a future where bionic implants can help paralyzed people walk or even enhance human capabilities beyond our natural limits. We are standing at the edge of a new era, the era of the bionic human. Technology is often criticized for distracting us, but gadgets like the Esper Hand remind us of its true purpose: to solve human problems and empower the spirit. What do you think? Is this the most important invention of our time? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this story inspiring, hit that like button and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Future Finds for more deep dives into the tech that is shaping our tomorrow.